Welcome to CAD Engineer. In this video, we are going to design this oil can. To design this oil can, we are going to use following commands like extrude boss, loft command, extrude cut, DOM feature, fill pattern, curve pattern, and shell command. Let's see how to design this. Let's start designing this part. We'll go to sketch tab and here we'll take a sketch tool. We'll start this part from the top view, so we'll take a top plane. And from the top view, it is looking a rectangular object, so we'll take a rectangle and specify the size of rectangle. We'll specify this distance of this line, that is 150. This is 80. And exit. Now go to feature and we're going to extrude this up to 180 distance and OK. Now we are going to apply fillet command. We'll take fillet tool. We'll select all these 4 edges. And we'll specify the radius to 10 and OK. Now I have to take another cross section at distance of 42. Now I have to take another cross section at the distance of 46. So we'll take a reference geometry and we'll take a plane option. We'll specify this face and we'll specify the distance between 46 and OK. Now we'll select this plane, sketch on it. Here I am going to create a circle and specify the diameter of circle is 15. And we'll define from the side it is 40 distance. From this side also we'll define it is 40 distance. Now we'll take extrude tool. We'll specify the depth of this circle to be 20 and OK. Now again we'll select this face, sketch. We'll make one more circle exactly at center of the circle. So we can touch the circle, we'll find that center point. We'll specify the diameter of the circle to be 43. We'll go to feature and extrude it. The same depth will take here 20 and do OK. Now we'll hide this plane. We'll loft this both faces. We'll go to loft feature, lofted boss. Here we'll select the face of this part and this part. So it is connected. So you can see if any more twisting is there, you can arrange that point to remove the twisting. So it is OK now. Now we can apply the constraint conditions. I want that part to be maintain tangency from starting and end side. So the part become perfectly tangent. We'll do OK here. Now I want to cut this face, side face. So we'll select this face, sketch on it. We'll make one rectangle and specify the size of it. It is total 100. OK. And we'll specify from this edge it will be 35 distance. And this is total. We can specify this is 7 distance. And we'll go to feature and we'll cut. We'll take extrude cut command and cut this. So total you can give water depth or you can pull the arrow also. Do OK. So the same cut I need other side also. We'll select this and we'll go to mirror command. We'll select a plane at middle of the body. So here I have a front plane, I'll use front plane and do OK. Next, we are going to create pattern on the faces. We'll select this face, sketch on it. We'll generate one feature here of diameter 5. And we'll specify the distances. This is 7 and this is 7. Both horizontal vertical distance 7. Next, we'll extrude it up to 0.5 mm. 0.5 mm and OK. Now, I want to apply a dome feature on this part. I want to lift it up. We'll go to Insert, Features, and we'll take a dome option here. We'll select this face, and here we'll specify the dome. Let me take 1 and OK. So we can see this is a dome feature is applied here. Now we are going to pattern this completely over this face. We'll select both the features, and here we'll go to the pattern type to fill pattern. I want to fill this on this complete face. We'll select this face to fill, and I need the first type is called perforation, and we'll specify the total value. It is 18 and the angle is 60 and the margin is 2. We'll do OK here. Same thing, I need to construct again this side. We'll do it again. Why I'm not using mirror command to do this? What happens sometime, like maximum time, when we're doing mirror the pattern things, that will be get failed. So instead of doing mirror, we'll create that part again. So we'll specify this is 5 diameter and we'll extrude it up to 0.5. OK. Now again we'll go to Insert, Features, Dome. We'll select the face and OK. Now again we're going to pattern this. We'll select both features. We'll go to Fill Pattern. We'll select this face. We'll maintain this distance to be 18 again and do OK. Next, I want to make pattern on this faces. We'll select this face, Sketch, and here I'm going to use curve pattern. For that case, I'm going to use ellipse command. We'll make one ellipse with the reference of origin. We'll specify the sizes. That will be total 30. This is 20. And we'll convert this into construction form. Because we are using that only for reference purpose, I'm just defining that is vertical position. And there is also, so we'll select this edge and we'll find the middle point of the edge and this point to be horizontal. So it will be exactly center of that face. Now we'll exit it. Now we'll select this face again. Now we'll draw 3 circles, 1, 2 and 3. We'll specify first circle to be 6 diameter, second to be 7 diameter, and third to be 8 diameter. We'll specify the distance between them, that is 10. Here also we'll specify that is 10 distance, and we'll make this to be tangent to this, and we'll make extrude. We'll specify the depth of this will be 1 and OK. Here also we'll apply a dome feature. We'll go to Insert, Feature, Dome. We'll select these faces and specify the dome depth and do OK. Now we'll select all that features and we'll take here curve driven pattern. We'll select that curve and it will make total 6 number of items we required. So we'll keep it 6 here and do OK. Same way, I need this side. We'll select this face. I'll use this convert entity method to project this curve again on that face and exit. Again, I'll make 3 more circles this face. So I'll define the circle again. One here, second and third. Again, we'll specify all the same dimension. 10 gap first. I'll give it. I'll specify this is 6 diameter, 7 diameter and 8 diameter, and this will make this to be tangent with this. Exit. Again, we'll select this sketches and make it extrude 1 mm and do OK. We'll go to insert, feature and dome feature. Select all the faces. I'm making 1 mm dome and OK. Now select both the features by pressing Ctrl button, and we'll go to curve driven pattern. We'll select this curve, keep number of items to be 6 and do OK. So this is how we have completed the pattern things. Now we'll hide this sketches and this sketch. Now I want to make this portal to be hollow. For that case, we'll be using shell command. We'll go to shell tool. Here we have to specify the thickness of the wall. Let me keep it 1 mm. We'll select this and do OK. So you can see this portal become completely hollow from inside. Now if you want to see the internal view, we can make a sectional view and we can see the portal from inside as well. Again, we'll cancel this. Now I want to see all the 4 views of the model. We'll go to view selector box and we'll select 4 views. We can see front view, left view, top view and isometric view. Now again we'll go to convert into single view. Let's give some appearance to this model. We'll click on the appearance and here I'm taking here this time painted car. Let me take candy apple red and do OK. So this is how we have completed this oil can project. Thank you for watching this video.